fascinating sights to behold. Incidentally, flowers also happen to be the site of sexual reproduction, as they contain the androecium and gynoecium, the male and female reproductive organs of a plant. You can see many variations in the gynoecium of different flowers. For example, the gynoecium can be monocarpous, consisting of a single pistil or carpel. Or it may be multicarpous, in which case we see several pistils in a single flower. Moreover, a multicarpellary gynoecium may be apocarpous, that is, the pistils are free. Or syncarpous, where the pistils are fused. If you observe the structure of a pistil, you will find that it consists of the stigma at the tip, followed by the style in the middle and an ovary at the base. While the stigma is a landing platform for pollen grains, the style, an elongated, slender structure, connects the stigma to the ovary, the basal bulging part of the pistil. Morphological studies of the ovary have revealed that it contains one or more cavities called locules, or ovarian cavities that are surrounded by an ovary wall. Within the locule, you will find ovules or megasporangia that are attached to the ovary wall in a region called the placenta. These ovules may be arranged in free central, axile, marginal, parietal, or basal placentation. Moreover, after fertilization, the ovules form seeds, while the ovary develops into a fruit. Did you know that different flowers of different plant species have a varying number of ovules in their ovaries? A peach, for instance, develops from an ovary containing a solitary ovule. A papaya, on the other hand, has several ovules in its ovary, and that's why you see numerous seeds in the fruit when it is split open. The ovule, considered by botanists as the forerunner of the seed, has an oval or egg-shaped body. It remains attached to the placenta by a stalk called the funicle. In fact, the ovule's body fuses with the funicle in a region called the hilum. The ovule is well protected with one or two protective coverings called integuments. These integuments later form the seed coat. The integuments cover the entire ovule except at the apex, where they form a narrow opening called the micropyle. Did you know that the micropylar end acts as an entry point for the pollen tube during the process of fertilization? While the micropyle forms one end of the ovule, the chalaza forms the basal part of the ovule. At the chalazel region, we find that the funicle and integuments join the nucellus, the center region of the ovule that's made of a mass of diploid, colorless, thin-walled, parenchymatous cells containing food reserve materials. In the nucellus of a mature ovule lies the embryo sac, the female gametophyte, which develops from a megaspore.